Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng Islam? Islam ay religion ho. Nang ibig sabihin kapayapaan or submission to the will of Allah. Pagsunod sa kagustuhan ni Allah. Si Muhammad submitted to himself to Allah. Jesus Christ submitted himself to Allah. Moses, Abraham, Adam, they all submitted to the will of Allah. All the prophets of God, they submitted themselves to the will of Allah. In short, tinatawag itong Aslam or Islam, submission to the will of Allah. Ang Islam ay hindi founded by Muhammad kasi hindi ito kagaya ng Christ. Kung wala si Kristo, walang Christian, di ba? Tinatawag ang Christian dahil nandoon si Christ. Okay? Kung walang Christ, walang Christian. Ganun din si Buddha. Walang Buddhism kung wala si Buddha. Di ba? So, sa Islam, hindi mo matawag kaming Muhammadanism dahil hindi po pinatayo ni Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ang Islam. So hindi kami tinatawag na Muhammadanism. So ang ibig sabihin ho sa reliyong Islam, submission to the will of Allah. And all the prophets of Allah, they submitted to the will of Allah. That's why ang relihiyon nila ay Islam.